When you first walk in, it feels tight, but also too, the flex room is an attention grabber. So you're going to want to keep it organized or be mindful of that when you're walking this plan, looking at it. Pay attention to how the designers have it staged. This drop zone was nice coming in from the garage. The laundry room was definitely a good size. The garage at 18 by 19 is on the smaller side for a 2-car, so just FYI. Bedroom 2's window was very visible from the front here, and this bath for it is where you would generally see, upgrades money going in for a walk-in shower, so guests aren't having to jump over that big tub, just FYI. HVAC system inside, definitely a plus, especially in Florida. Pantry here, definitely on the small side with some not so luxury doors. Kitchen island was one of the smaller ones for sure. The kitchen sink here had a nice window to kind of view out of. This gathering room and kind of dining space was definitely good size. Felt good. Seemed like it fit everything good and everything like that. A lot of good windows. Good natural light. Our suite did have the AC here right outside the window, but from inside I couldn't hear it at all. A nice walk-in closet here in the master. They had a tile, definitely excessive. Color covered lanai. It was actually a good size, felt pretty good. Just be mindful when it's on one side of the house like this, what's going on the neighbors next door. Is there lanai right over here too or not? Just FYI. And then in the back you had that kind of half wall, so it kind of gives you a little bit of privacy from the neighbors and everything like that.